Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. Hope you're ready for a dive into today's financial highlights. So, stocks had a notable role, gaining momentum as Monday afternoon progressed. Investors, it seems, are gearing up for a bunch of corporate earnings this week. Meanwhile, Wall Street's attention is divided, with a close eye on the U.S.'s efforts surrounding the Israel-Hamas situation. Now, to touch on some numbers. The Dow Jones is up by a promising 1%, which translates to a rise of more than 300 points. The S&P 500 and the tech-centric Nasdaq Composite didn't lag behind either, posting gains of 1.1% and 1.3% respectively. This week is shaping up to be quite eventful on the earnings front. After some optimistic results from their Wall Street counterparts, both Goldman Sachs and Bank of America are anticipated to reveal their numbers today. And tech enthusiasts, brace yourselves. Updates from Tesla and Netflix are set to inaugurate the tech earnings tomorrow. With ongoing debates about prolonged interest rates, these updates will be under the microscope for any hints about the tech sector's resilience. Did anyone catch that statement from JP Morgan's CEO, Jamie Dimon? His assertion that we might be experiencing the most dangerous time the world has seen in decades is still resonating. And speaking of pressing matters, the Middle East crisis continues to dominate discussions. The primary concern right now revolves around the potential of the U.S. and its allies to deter the conflict from involving other nations, with Iran being a focal point. A widespread conflict, some speculate, could send oil prices skyrocketing past the $100 mark per barrel, possibly triggering a global recession. For a quick oil update, crude oil futures and Brent crude futures have been teetering around $87 and $91 a barrel, especially following Friday's significant ascent. However, it wasn't all upward graphs. Both gold and bonds experienced a downturn, making them attractive for those scouting safe havens. On another note, the 10-year Treasury yield bounced back to 4.69%, recovering from last week's descent. And that wraps up our financial snapshot for today. Remember, markets can be as unpredictable as a twist in a good novel. Stay informed, and we'll be back soon with another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. Until next time.